In daily life, we work with the rural women entrepreneurs. We promote them, we educate them, and we are linking up them with agricultural commodity business. So these women, we have got trained women, 45 to I think 60 women we have, those who are trained and ready to take the charge of the business. But we don't have any model to absorb them. So this model may work. This model came up with the help of share people. They have sent expert, supply chain management expert, Francois Albert Bioman, and he worked with me, and he's very knowledgeable guy. So I used all his expertise, and we come up with this model, and which is now functional. I have learned supply chain management thing, what are the various components and how they can affect and how these all things are related, and if you want to get the result, how this should be optimized. These all things I have learned. The most valuable thing I have learned from him is we should always look the things in numbers. If you are not coming up with numbers, you cannot actually see what would be the in future. Suppose today I am making a loss, how much? This much of percent. We have actually tested our model. Yeah, this model is good and it is working. We are making transactional profit, but we are not making actual profit. So it seems that yeah, this thing will work and it is working. At that time, our intention was only to come up with some strategy and model that can work. So we designed at that time. And next year might be means we will invite to the same consultant in our organization to see the thing, follow up things. The difference is structure. Here people looks on structure only, very much structured schedule. And if people tell if I have to be there by 10:10, it means 10:10. In India, it is not there. But we would like to adopt these things. In terms of lifestyle, yeah, you should come out little bit. Means you should come out from some this structure thing. From say duty hours, fine. You come work with the structure, but dinner and all that also works on the time. It's really irritating.